Tim's Workshop. I'm going to show you the digital hand torque screwdriver that I got off of Amazon. It's called the Fat Wrench. Okay, so let's get into this and show you how it works. So if you're new here to Tim's Workshop, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it so you get all my videos. Leave comments also. And I just want to make a disclaimer here. Hey, this is how I do stuff, right? It's on me. So if you try to do something that I do, you do it at your own risk, okay? Other than that, enjoy my videos. Let friends of yours know about my videos too, all right? So I wanted to show you the Fat Wrench is actually for gunsmith, type thing, working on rifles and guns and doing the small screws, stuff like that on a rifle. Let me turn it around here. And it shows you here on this one rifle of where the screws are to take the mechanisms out of the rifle. So pretty cool. So when I was looking this up, I went on Amazon, and the internet, and I was looking for something that would work with a smaller torque than 20 inch-pounds, which I have a clicker wrench that'll go down as far as 20 inch-pounds, but the problem with it is, putting a screw on it and at a 90-degree angle and all that. Plus, the torque on these carburetor float bowls is 18 inch-pounds. So I wanted a digital torque wrench for one. They're really expensive. But starting out with something like this doesn't cost that much as far as digital goes. So I found this. I went, wow, let's give this a try. So there we go. I got a Fat Wrench. So first of all, let's open this up. I've already had it open. It comes in a package. The lid is not put on, so you have to snap it on. The model is Wheeler Digital Fat Wrench. Range is 15 to 100 inch-pounds, or 1.7 to 11.3 Newton meters. For those of you that use Newton meters instead of inch-pounds. I have the camera straight here. Yeah, it shows you all the information here. Shows you the inspector who passed the certification of the wrench back in 9/18/20. Okay. All right, so got that information there. I already started taking the screws out to put the battery in. I just used my screwdriver with a small number 1 tip. That's what you need for doing this. So let's finish taking these out without losing the screws. Has a battery already in it. I think you have to pull this out first though. Let's see. Yeah. Got to pull that out for it to actually work. And it just beeped, so that's good. That means it's working. It's a Venic CR2032 battery, 3-volt lithium battery. And they give you extra ones, so that's good. So put this back on. Put the screws back in. It's cold out here. I just turned on my little portable heater out here, so it'll take a little bit to warm up. My fingers are cold. Okay. All right, so that's good to go. This is on right now, and it's registering in inch pounds right now. Okay. So we'll keep it on that. So now we need to try this out. So it comes with bits. It has everything in here but a Phillips tip. So it's cool. It has like a extension that you can put a socket on. So that's cool. It has star tips. Yeah, it has hex and slotted screw tips. But it doesn't have Phillips. So that's interesting. Looks like there's something inside here too. I wonder if this comes up. Let's see what's underneath this thing without breaking it. There we go. Oh, nothing. It just has a lot number. No, we'll put this back on. Got more storage space underneath there, though, if you need it, you know. Put the battery there. Okay, so we need a Phillips. So what we have this one here. Except this is too small for what I need to do. Let's see if I have a larger bit. I don't know if this will work or not. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, where's my carburetors at? So let's try this. So we're going to set this for 18 inch pounds. 15. Just keep going up to 18 inch pounds. Yeah, if you hold it down, it goes fast. If you just keep doing this, it'll go up a little bit at a time. Let's unscrew this and keep an eye on it and see how this works. Take that. Okay. So let's try it. Get it up here where you guys can see what I'm doing. It's kind of hard to film. Up to about 9 inch pounds right now. Ten. 10. 12. There we go. Okay. All right, so I got the directions here. There's your on-off button right there. So we'll turn it on. It says 18. So if you want to change it to like 20, just push this button. You have your negative and positive. Hit the positive and go up to 20. There we go. There's 20. Okay. And the M is for the mode button. So you push mode, okay, and right now it's on peak. So the peak mode here, it means the highest torque applied, and will hold this value on the LCD for approximately 5 seconds, okay? So that's when you set it in peak mode. If you put it in live mode displays torque being applied and decreases as torque load changes. Your audible torque, when at 80 to 95% of torque is reached, a slow audible beep can be heard. So we got it torqued. I'm going to do the other carburetors the same way. And then I think I will test them to make sure they don't leak, but I won't do that on this. I just want to confirm that torquing it with the at 18 inch-pounds, and these things don't leak. That's what I'm mainly interested in. And if this rubber gasket doesn't work very well, I'll take and make some new gaskets for this instead of these rubber ones. So after all that, I decided I don't really care for this thing at all. We started reading some of the reviews on this product, and a lot of people said it's junk. They didn't like it. There was very few that actually did like it, which I should have read that before I even got this thing. As far as digital, some of the people on there said, hey, just get the same product except a clicker wrench instead of the digital beep beep thing. I think that's a good idea, as long as it clicks at the torque I want, which is low torque. The only drawback, and that's why I bought this thing, is because it goes in 5 inch-pound increments settings. So at 18 inch-pounds, for these carburetors, you would have to go up to 20 for it to even be close to 18, which is okay, you know, as long as it doesn't tear those gaskets, those rubber gaskets. I'm going to do that, except I'm not going to buy the Wheeler brand. I found another one on there that looks better than this, actually. So, and it's for firearms also, but I'm going to use it for multi use, you know, not just firearms. Okay, just so you know, I bought it, but I'm sending it back. I already got the paperwork to send back to the company through Amazon, so we're going to do that. Well, that's it for this video. So if you like it, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, give me a like if you like it, and let your friends and family know about my videos too. So until next time, see ya.